Hey everyone! If you're eager to discover new books or keep your library organized on your iPhone, you're in the perfect spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to easily add new books to the Apple Books app. It's super simple, so let's get started. There are two easy ways to do this, and I'll show you both. Method 1. Using the Apple Books app. First, open the Apple Books app on your iPhone, then tap on Bookstore at the bottom of the screen. Next, browse for the book you want. You can either buy it or grab it for free if it's available. Method 2. Downloading books from the web. To try this method, open your browser, head to a site where you can download PDFs or other ebooks. Now, once you start downloading the book, your browser will likely open it up for preview. Just click the share icon from there, then select books from the list of options. And that's it, the book should automatically be added to your Apple Books library. So that's how easy it is to add new books to Apple Books on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. For more awesome Apple tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next one.